tornado came through here back in the spring and took out this, I think it was a red maple tree in the front yard. And so we cut it all up and there were logs everywhere and they were all on the road. We moved them off the road, got them loaded back behind the barn, and we're gonna get ready to split them and use them for firewood for making syrup. Oh, it took out the electric pole, transformer off of the pole, and knocked out the electric and knocked out a couple of breakers and stuff in the desert house, and we had to get those all replaced.
That's what I found.
Oh, nice. Never opened.
Well, these are, I think we got a 10 pack.
Oh, okay.
And I only used 3 of them last year. So now we can fill up all of these buckets. What do you think, Kirby? Good idea?
You two are.
Hey guys!
Hey.
So today
I'm filming. Okay. The camera's literally on.
So these are full of sap. We tapped trees last weekend, and now that the temperature fluctuates between freezing and above freezing, the sap in the maple trees is starting to flow. So we've got a number of buckets, and we're collecting all the sap and storing it down here where it stays nice and cool so nasty stuff doesn't grow. And then over the next few weekends, we'll start boiling it down and making syrup. So at least by March 25th, we'll have all our syrup done and ready for pancakes. Who have been doing this a lot longer than we have, or read the internet now. But this is our third season?
Yep,
Doing
third
this?
season.
Oh yeah, these buckets came with the property. These are our Y2K rations that we found. Where is it? There it is. Oh, it's in here. Pack number 3, we had lentils, popcorn, spaghetti, pearled barley, and technically they were all still good too. We find a lot of stuff around here, especially left for us in the barn and in all the cabins, but we found this last night. Coil of outdoor 12-2 wire. I noticed some mice had some fun with it right here, but the rest of it looks good, so we're going to use it to try and replace this section of dead wire
that powers our well pump, spring pump, so we can get water back up and running to the cabin.